Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, in this video I am sharing very beautiful and pretty design ideas of hand embroidery, that how you can decorate your denim stuff, denim shirts, denim jackets, and even you can make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your denim pants. Denim fabric is a fabric that has been in fashion, and it looks classy, stylish, chic and elegant at the same time, and it goes with every sort of fashion sense and fashion style that you thought or think to carry or like to carry. So before going further into the details of this video, I have a very simple request to you friends, that if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my content for the first time, then don't forget to like my channel videos, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below my videos so that I could remain updated and I could know about your likes, dislikes, interests, and how you are liking my content. So friends, now let's move back towards our topic, that how you can decorate your denim stuff and your denim jackets, denim shirts, and any sort of wearing material, dresses, denim coats, decorated with hand embroidery art. Yes friends, a lot of embroidery patterns could be used for this, and most probably for big flowers I would suggest you to use Brazilian stitches, and for more 3D view of the stitches I suggest you to use pom-pom stitch, and for making more creative, artistic and real use for mini flowers, use simple plain stitch, or the best favorable stitch, that is a lazy daisy stitch. And for leaves, for mini leaves use lazy daisy stitch, and for bigger leaves use fly stitch, and for branches and lines use chain stitch or stem stitch. I hope that my today's explanation of the hand embroidery individual stitches is enough for you to make the whole embroidery pattern and make up your mind that how you are going to do. So with this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas in a new video. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones, and spread positivity, be happy, and kindly do try these patterns if you have already plain simple denim shirts, jackets, and make these embroidery patterns and make them extremely flawless and beautiful. So hope to see you soon back on my channel in a new video with a new content. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.